Thank God it's Monday, and then so Joada for atoye world of entertainment. Nature good ya fata when you know sumuno. Jadi bi esomo febe smedju no na media si. Itu yo bia wani jin sekru ho kakra, wani jin entertainment ho peso hu de kwa mene wo somfo. Be the sister Sandy bi. Eya guy. Na Frank wada na
When Sandy no. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy's queen. Mama akwa ba shonko. Nature go weekend niam bebre na e course so. Say na no kwale yom kopiem baby ni ade a ye beba ho no me manage trend o social no. So Nadia Buari, a Ghanaian actress. One of the best actresses we have in the industry. Now in BB. Sister Netimia would in a mercy, Hokra de Frank Bonsemano. So I don't know. Was so this year. Now, say quite we're releasing new movie via premiere no. Akoswa Bibrine di extra ebe koso. If you're a fan and lover of Nadia Buari, this is for you, Patricia Debra. And that was so beautiful. Be sure say other regions, obey premiere no be honum. Just watch out for Nadia Buari. We bet me on the page so to get all other information be honum. Now one of the few people who put Ghana on the map and none other but Denta. Oh, Frank Boma sister. She's speaking as a bano industry ni ma. Otimi rewrade kokoni adia na new one abeto dwa so kwaye Sam Stella Foundation phobia omu chema Africa ye ho kire rade yangopo kofo omu bano yemwa yenkwa na omani kire Africa I say ko mbe good be ye ningi na emu na ye Stella Foundation ye project view Africa and kanka rural areas no and omu di Idris Eva ye Hollywood actor no ono kwa ni Ghana ho dada so me beast of no nation some few years ago and Adenta Ahosepe no yentien nsemo a omo kan e ba to aso. Basically the whole conference was about transforming imagination into income. Say niema e wo chima opesa wo ye no na odi nyeska we the flocking stone be say me the rap no cash out ebi no enti no mo hosti Idris Elba e wo Ghana ha say yen to aso. Over the weekend, Paul's 4-year Jumedia be my influencers. I'm offering the Paul's Influencers Awards. Now, as usual, near me cost social. So now, why am Ahosepe per se dear who may me cry, per se dear who may me. Obey near cancer, nothing, young couple, listen, ya could chummy dear freementers are. I say the team was AI. Why that's not say yes, the team was AI. Now AI, I can't about AI. Now she AI. Now I can't about TikTok. Timi ajina ni tiri ho afro. Hey. Now why na etu for sa? Huh? Me kwa de ngame na meka. Uko social ne so a netizens no e de nsem ni bi ababa abeto manim. Now yeah kan nyina no. Let's look at some of my favorite influencers, how they showed up. They pulled up. Because you see, dress code need AI. Now Wesley Kesse, big up yourself. One sema guy, yo! You put in so much effort. You put in so much effort. Shawani so adie bra. Na me bisa say no hu adie. O so hu. Eno nko adie. Ohu dia I'm okay. So they her bra me best see ya. Me dear, come frame ya, me back a measure robot. So this is it. I mean, moments sema guys like Wesley Kesse and AJ Brown. Yo, until fashion asia, you will not understand this. Ghana how caught TikTok and so more dress pa. They showed up. Wesley is one of them, and my baby girl AJ is one of them. Now her name I'm in your Beku Ventures. Yeah, the bema a banner style and I only saw Beku Tia dodo. And see AI they pulled up. It's in a message Morgana for Moon Chasone. the trolling. These are your people. Nigeria need a buy cry no te haban born ho. I can mo beka say na mo de mo condemn you. This is beautiful. This is art and this is fashion. So proud of you guys. Keep making me proud. Akwa well we na where oh so we na ebe ya ma enkrofo akasa no AI washa na mugu mani manza ti akwa ba enko nsu ba akwa ba why two for say ha yan shambana make the netizens they can show what say akwa ba to the whole real semon shamra to see AI. Thank you all stations and you know obeya na having a kwentwe ye yi mafim ba anya me kwa na make say Ghana for na ka say we gina many problem akwa ba na make afre how dey and then no say advert on na na ekwa kan say na ma me be twae no say the o see ejai kan go ma ba be twae me call social no so na very slippery. This is for akwa say I beg they are from Nigeria and say Ghana for kra yi o mama say your move free Ghana ba oboa dia o see she's wearing ring I don't know you she ma akwa be oh yeah he what it Benis, see who named them celebrities? We did. Because you know them, they don't know you. We did. Yeah, your mom was our title. No, nothing wrong with that. And I'll say I didn't say something is wrong. And in Shraba, or say what are they celebrating? And are we celebrating them for? Hello. We are celebrating them for the fact say they've built some numbers on social. Yeah, when you say, would you know when you part 3 follow? I say how long no? Or see low budget dressing in Kwansha there. Whew. Why low budget? And now we now the tire is only a 3 city. Oh, hey. Obviously in their hair they have dressed pan. Obviously they are popular TikTokers, not celebrities. They are not celebrities. They are pop. Ahoya bekumo. Enti nipa ne celebrating. Oh yeah. Oh man. And I will see who cries advising Akonoba to do afro eho ne me problem no. Me problem afro no. Oh, obayana kinky boy crying. Master heaven is the goal. What it? Oh my man heaven enemy goal. Oh sure me fear what na many che. Obayana you me free listening. And you know, more comments appear. What we see Akonoba there. Or you're bad or do everything he does, female feature shows too much. And it's sana and yafe. Nyaofe. And them two do. Shall Akonoba Nova wig send Mali for a helmet. What is wrong with these people? I see Akonoba is that wig. It's all about Akonoba. Momon sema Akonoba. Eti e bia fe na wo join na why confused say na de na nkofo e trocho adaroma hwani so ade ebra bi mwate eti no wa hu be meboa but the question is I don't know bibia bia person o de man ya maka hu yakoka ye na o ma me bo aboso na oba social no so na obetwa boy say ono ana ne ba ne una uniskampa nye ne hwemo nye ne ma osika nye ne ma obibi but I'm asking say what's up with this whole female thing? A bibia baby, I just saw your baby become one shall go with makeup. We okay say adverts crowd boy what's not good you him. You gotta stop that. And I will say mouse can to me I know. Okay. Okay, by now because that's how you mind your business. Hey, oh no. By now I can fear make keep my hasea. It's Akonoba. Keep it on the low. Slow down. Baby boy, slow down. You are very talented. Gani is such a good actor. No two ways about that. But say bibiana oba say de shim she hair eta ba nyeshe me do be see ate nyeshe ma say me man be brain na yo mo homa ema o make sure say we are cashing out. This is what pays us. We are cashing out. Make say ampedu o ma madwuma ampedu nyo na ahweme sa no meka ti de mame nko ampanya me so na me hwe omo ti mame nko kempaluta release bi. His Kempaluta, or release it back to back. or de kwa say a festival bi wo Bunu East onum Atebubu Kempaluta na artist yene nenam a obe perform it. People of Atebubu be ready. Adoma mamre and Kempaluta baho. Or the new one aba just say where the Daddy Lumba vibes. So asa per manage na ho crash straight up Daddy Lumba netizens our concerns. But you know brand new one from the man Kempaluta is giving Daddy Lumba vibes. Oko social netizens as usual. Or more music producers who are muchim. Obi a wabo degree one dem a oni music kichire this is not it. Ye be pon wate. Ye be pon mo nyina mo monwum ni bi na yeso ye nka mi ho asem nkyere mo. Why? Me this is the Sandy be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. Well be Kofi Amperia me director. Asantewa enso teacher wo direct me camera pa. OPD me producer and a jejo mo nyina bo me chidom Christopher MCR Frank. Mo nyina bo a me hia mo kuma fatoso na hu se hello